Welcome to Freshgineering, where the fun never stops. With Nick, Jared, and Anthony.
Good morning, I'm Nick Crumbaugh.
I'm Anthony Canasso.
I'm Jared Marchini. We're here at MSOE and this is our ME191 final project.
The goal of this project is to develop a series of programs that, in conjunction with the XY table and the links motion servo arm, will scan a 5x5 area that has up to 9 1-inch cubes and recreate, using the arm, that same pattern of cubes in another 5x5 area at another place. Success in this case means that each of the blocks is placed within a reasonable error of their intended position, and the scan outputs proper matrix for later use and recording.
Here we see a time-lapse of the XY table in the middle of its homing operation. The purpose of this operation is for the XY table to understand its limits in both the X and the Y directions, as well as determining its origin and the origin of the workspace. At this point, the program pauses and waits for the operator to adjust the workspace and the IR sensor to ensure for a reliable reading. Here, the scanning and data collection takes place. The carriage, as well as the IR sensor, moves 1/5 of an inch from one data collection point to the next. Once a row of data collection points is collected, the carriage moves over 1/5 of an inch to the next row. The carriage dwells for 50 milliseconds, allowing the IR sensor to record. Once the distance is recorded, MATLAB logs the value in an array. This array contains both the X and Y axes and depends on the recorded values for the Z axis. And with scanning complete, we are able to interpret how the computer read the work surface. All the information that it needs, MATLAB converts the data from rectangular coordinates to polar coordinates and dictates to the robot where each block needs to go.